Barbie! Hi friends, we're going to make a Barbie dessert sundae.
So what do we need for this ice cream dessert?
We will need cereals, fairy floss, marshmallows, ice cream, strawberry syrup, pink and white wafers, pink mochi, pink and white macarons, mini ice cream.
Okay, so first we'll put the
Cotton
fairy floss. I'm gonna put it underneath.
Yeah.
Make sure we spread it. You wanna help me spread it?
Yeah, spread it like a cloud.
Yeah.
Spread it cloud.
Just around your plate or bowl. Fluffy.
Yeah, like a
fluffy.
cloud. A pink cloud.
Yes. And then we'll put
Fruit Loops.
cereals. Rainbow colors. Everyone help me? So we're gonna add the cereals. We are putting cereals so that when we put the ice cream, the fairy floss won't melt. Some more. And Sari, make sure you tell your friends that before you start doing this
Wash our hands.
yes, we need to wash our hands.
Yeah, because they might be germs.
Yes. Okay. Now we'll get
Ice
cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
Let's put it on top.
Yummy. Yes.
So
Yummy. We will put strawberry syrup.
Ooh, strawberry syrup on top.
Yay. Ooh, it looks pretty and fabulous.
But we're not yet finished. Now we're gonna add the wafer stick. And then the macarons, just put them around
Yeah. Ooh, pretty
to make them look pretty.
and nice. Ooh,
It looks really yummy.
yeah. But that looks like a butterfly.
And then we'll add the mini ice cream.
Oh yeah.
And then we'll add the marshmallows. Just put them around the ice cream. Yum. The
Delicious.
last one is the
Mochi.
pink mochi at the side. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow. Wow.
Wow, that looks so yummy.
Yeah.
Beautiful, Sari.
Thank you.
Do you want to try it?
Yummy.
Does look yummy. Well, that would be nice for birthdays and during the weekend. So remember, that's just a
Dessert.
weekend
Dessert.
because too much sweets is not good for your body. Nice.
Yummy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.